From wild science comes the Extreme Crocodiles of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene and assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the most dangerous, the smartest, and the most deadly crocodiles on the planet. If you're wild about crocodiles, you'll love Extreme Crocodiles of the World. And remember, there's only one wild science.